Tolly here, Diamond Paint Can't Stalls, which is DPWCAD. I think you guys kind of get the hint of it. We don't have to say the channel all the time, but I mean, if you want us to, that's fine. But I think you know who we are. I hope. Anyways, okay. So this lovely, strange looking box here, as you can see, I've used it for other things. This is my AB square drill spares, and yeah, as you can see, I have every color of ABs that you can think of. Isn't that cool? Let me see if I can bring you in. You can, I'll bring you down. Whoa. Okay, sorry if it's kind of crazy. But I wanted you to get the, see them all? Oh. Why won't you focus? Let's back it off a little bit, guys. There. I don't want it to be too blurry, but oh, there you go. That's better. So you can see all the different colors. This whole box is nothing but all the different AB colors. I think I got this off of Diamond Drills USA, I think, a while back. I mean, I've had this box for quite a while, and I left them in their packages, of course, because they're all numbered. So I didn't put them in bottles. I just put them in this thing. And then I got the Star Ore one, which I don't know why I'm keeping them in here. I mean, I really don't need this. This is, but what I was thinking is, in the one video, which I can put at the end of this video, shows my Christmas advent. I'm thinking about finding the DMC codes that go to those two drawings and maybe putting some ABs on the bulbs just to kind of liven up, because it is Christmas. And since I've got this big old thing of, you know, ABs, why not? I got every single color. I'm pretty sure of every. Yeah, there's the 200s, 300s are in here. Is there 100s? There should be 100s in here somewhere. There's 300. These are round, and it does tell you too. Round, square. I would definitely separate all the rounds. I mean, I have more too. I've got a whole buttload of them, but these might be all square except for a couple. See, this is round. There's square, there's round. Like I said, I have both. But I still want to dazzle up my ornaments that are on my decorations. Let's see. Square, square, square. Okay, these are square. They're mainly square. I think these are square. Yeah, those are square. Like I said, I got rounds. They're in another area. They're in on my craft table. But yeah, this whole box is full of ABs, as you can see. So I wanted to kind of show you this. So I pulled those out. But that's that. And then here's the logbook. And I have no clue what these go to. I don't have a clue. So I'll have to dig through and find them. It could be anywhere. These are all the diamond paintings that I still have to do. Let me back you up a little bit. There we go. I printed all these out. But I have these somewhere. I didn't know I had that. Magic House by the River. I forget. This is dupe. Obviously. Okay, here we go. Is that this one? Nope. This is Autumn Glory. This is Autumn Path. Okay, here she is. Alright, I'm going to... It's not gifted. So I'm going to lose the sticker, and I don't want to lose the sticker. So I'm going to put the sticker down here. Because it's not gifted, and I'll have... There we go. So that one's done, and then Home for Dinner. I gotta find that other one. That's the nice thing about looking these up. I can, there we go. I can look these up and it tells me when I purchased it on their website. Okay, there's that one. And then where is... There it is. Autumn Path. Wow. It's a year old. It'll be 2 years old that I got this one. Oh, and that one's 2 years old. 2 years old. 2 years old. This is 3 years old. 2 years old. This one I'm still working on. That is over here. I actually have that way. This is the drawing. Let's see, I am right about, where's that chair? I'm right about here on the drawing. I've got all this to go yet. She keeps getting put aside because, you know, other projects look at them, but I started in July 4th. Boy, you can tell I live an exciting life, right? That. Okay, let's see here. Is there any more in here? Purchased, oh man. This is 5 years old. Wow, this is one of the older. 11/8. This just this year. I wonder if I had, no, I thought I got this in Heaven and Earth Design too. I'm not sure. 24th to 21st. This is almost 5 years old. It's a Taurus. Let's see this one. This is also Fuji Flora. This was a big one. Okay. Dreamers Designs. I will have to get on their website. I don't know if they... It should tell me when I purchased them. I just hadn't got that far yet. They're little tiny. It's like here. Let's see if you could... I don't know why this camera is being a butt. Something is making me mad. It should focus. Well, that's just aggravating. I'll have to figure that one out. Anyway, you're getting the hint, the gist of it. Here's a Christmas cabin. I don't even have the size down. I know it's huge. No, timeless tradition. This is the diamond. This is got the blue in it. Sorry. You can tell I like landscapes. Pine Forest, Diamond Dreamers Designs. This one's another big one. Fine Soft Day. Mountain View, Dreamer's Design, Autumn Snow, Cardinal, Dreamer's Design, Little Trickster, Dreamer's Design, Cooking in Paradise, Dreamer's Design. Oh, I forgot about the Cozy Kitten. I don't know what size it is, though. This one I think I have out. Not sure. And there's Dreamer's Design. It's Wizard Workshop. 8 ABs in this puppy. This one I like too. The Conservatory. Reminds me of the game Clue. Mr. Green did it in the Conservatory with the wrench. If you play the game Clue, you'll know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, Nature Heaven, Dreamer's Design. So this one was purchased in 23. You can tell I don't get in that much. Oh! Get back on there. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, these are done. Alright, these are the gang. And then we got Skippy-Doo. So many books, so little time. 21 colors. Nope, that's not it, because these are 24 each. That one's done. This one's done. 32 colors. That's for my dad. That one's done. Ah, that's a blurry vision. You guys can see it not too bad in the camera. 32 colors. Did that one for Scott for Sloss. That one was my first diamond paint. See, first DP. 2020. Started in March, was done in April. Or May, sorry. It's a little, I don't know if you could see it, to be honest with you guys, but it's just, you know, black cat and a lady with the skull kind of face going on. I did this for my mom. I did this for my mother. These are pictures I took of them when I was done. I like that one. There's the other one. Well, this is just not right. $24 colors. I will have to investigate these, but I will put them in this book because I don't know where they go to. That's my fault. Okay. Alright, so let's put, and the last thing is we're going to open this up. Oh gosh. Oh, that smells so good. We are going to take half of these, like I said, and put them in a Ziploc bag. And they're going to go downstairs. And I can use them for dryer sheets too, but here, let me back this out. Whoop, we don't need to go close for that. There we go. Trying to get them in here. Makes the whole room smell so good. Yeah, I think that's about half and half. don't know if I gotta put them in the big one. I'll cut them down. I don't know if it goes sideways or not. I don't think it'll fit this way. It's fighting me, folks. It's fighting me. No. Okay, we'll just put it in like that. And then we can just pull it out when we need it. And I just go. Okay, and then these will stay in here. There's definitely more in here than there is. Alright. Actually, I could probably leave these upstairs and take those downstairs. I'm debating. I might put these in a bag too. It'll keep them fresh and smell nice. I love how the whole room smells like it. Anyways, I'm just out in the field. Oh, and one more thing to show you is I got some more Add More Zest police paper that she just sent me. I like these. These are pretty cool. They're different. It'd be nice for a spring or summer drawing, but I have got so many projects going on. I won't need it for a while. But there we go. And here's some ABs, but these aren't, these might work. There is some green in those drawings. The other one is white and blue, but interesting, very interesting that I could probably use these. But anyways, so here is, you know, the last of my video for what I'm doing. This was kind of a miscellaneous. I'm just all over the place. But I want to thank you for coming and enjoying these little miscellaneous videos, and that's what they are. And I hope you enjoy it. And hey, pass the word, you know, of our channel. And please, if you enjoy this, come back for more, and we will talk to you later. Bye.